In this video, I will show you how to draw signature in Microsoft Word. Simple way, click anywhere. Now, click on this Draw tab and here select and now here draw your signature. Now click this arrow. You have this signature. You can change the size, color and what you need. Also right click on it and you can save as picture in your system. So once you need, you can tag your and import your signature like here. So home, insert picture, this device and select your signature. Once you need, you can add your signature there. You want to keep anyway, so right click and in front of text. Now you can keep your signature anyway in your document. That's it. So thanks for watching.